Welcome to hgreglux. Here we have a 2018. Welcome to hgreglux. Here we have a 2015 BMW I8. This car came with a clean Carfax. In this video, I'll be showing you any dents, scratches, or any wear and tear to the car to the best of our knowledge. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to speak to one of our representatives. First, we'll be going panel by panel. We'll start with the front bumper. Okay, I'm not seeing any. First, we'll be going panel by panel. Let's start with the front bumper. I'm not seeing any paint chips or any deep scratches here at all. Let's have a look at the hood of the car. Okay, the hood looks fine. I'm not seeing any dents. You see that there's maybe a small chip right here. Let's have a look at the driver fender and wheel. This fender is in good condition, and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's take a look at the driver door. I'm not seeing any dents on this door at all. Everything here looks fine. Let's move on to the quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel looks good, and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's have a look at the back of the car. The back bumper is fine. I'm not seeing any scratches back here at all. Now we're going to take a look at the passenger quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel looks fine, and the wheel has no curb rash. Take a look at the passenger door. I'm not seeing any scratches on this door at all, no dents, everything here looks fine. And now the last fender and wheel. This fender looks perfect, no dents, no scratches, and the wheel has no curb rash. So the exterior of this car is in excellent condition. First we'll be going panel by panel. Let's start with the front bumper. Alright, that looks fine. Let's have a look at the hood of the car. The hood looks perfect, no scratches. I believe I see maybe a chip right here, but not sure if that is removable. Let's have a look at the driver fender and wheel. This fender looks good, and the wheel has no curb rash. Take a look at the driver door. I'm not seeing any scratches on this door at all or any dents. Have a look at the quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel is in excellent condition, and the wheel. Now let's take a look inside. Starting with the driver's seat. Okay, the driver's side is in excellent condition. Now let's take a look at the passenger side. Okay, everything here looks perfect as well. Now that I'm inside, let's have a look at the rest of the interior. Start off with the radio. This car has navigation, also backup camera. Let's have a look at the center console and make sure that everything looks fine. Not seeing any wear and tear at all here. Everything looks perfect. Let's take a look at the steering wheel. The steering wheel is in good condition. I'm not seeing anything wrong with the buttons at all. And around the steering wheel, the leather and stitching looks perfect as well. So the interior of this car is in excellent condition. Now let's have a look at the trunk.